There's a blue herring standing way over there. Way off in the distance.
I would have to get in your camera way to see it.
It's pretty here. Yeah, I'm not sure what kind of trail this is. I mean,
It's a bluff. It says something about a bluff. Maybe.
it's a bluff trail. Well, I know this is okay. I know that the Carpinteria Bluff Trail is a preserve because it's one of the last stretches of bluff that's accessible by the public along the coast from Santa Barbara to Los Angeles. In other words, everybody's built houses or bought it up as property. So they recently, a few years ago, bought the property from the landowner and turned it into a preserve. But this seems more like a running trail than a really hiking trail. Wow.
That's why the people at the ranger station didn't know the heck what we were talking about. They were like, no, we don't really have a trail.
But in our book it says it's a day hike. Well, this isn't really a day hike. This is more like a dog walk. Depends on what your idea of a day hike is. It's pretty though. Oh, see, you can go down on the coast over there. That's what I was looking at, was you're supposed to be able to hike along the coast.
Horses. Almost thought these two were dead.
No, they're just sleeping.
Sleeping heavily. Just water comes in, moves them around.
Then they kind of wake up.
Yeah. See? Wow.
That little fat one on the beach getting rolled by the waves. I wonder why they sit like that with their bellies down with their tails and stuff up. There's a mama and a baby right there in the surf. I think they just went down. See, there they go. They're kind of heading out. It's pretty cool. I also heard there's clamming along this beach. But supposedly there's clamming in Pismo, but I don't think you can really. I mean, there are clam shells. This is a shark's egg. You find them on the beach. This is the pouch that the sharks grow in. Isn't that cool? Sometimes they wash up on the beach, and that's what they look like, shark's egg. Go back to the ocean. There's a lot of stuff on this beach. A lot of big shells. Here, look, we found a snail with the snail still in it.
That's really cool.
Yeah, that is. He's a big meal. And that was just laying right over there with those great big other shells. I'll put him back.
Yeah.
So, okay. There you are, my little buddy. That was just so cool to just walk around the corner and see that on the ground. so many cool little different shells here. Ooh, there's a crab shell right there. Not too big. Huh. Seaweed. Not delicious, but you can eat that. Wow, horses! That's awesome. We're making more coffee. Ooh, we had a good lunch out here. We brought a Spam packet in one of these noodle things, and that was a really good noodle thing, spicy. Ramen noodle soup. That was a good one. We liked that one. And then horses rode by. This is the best restaurant in town. It's really hard to get. It's just spinning right over top of me. My husband's like, where'd she go? Picture opportunity! Okay, there's a bike coming this way. He'll scare the roadrunner back towards us. Oh wow, he's awesome. Let's go sneak over here. I don't see him. I've never seen a roadrunner here before. That's awesome. He's over here in this brush somewhere. Oh my God, there he is. totally right. There,